it's your local buzz with Amy B. Wanted to let you guys know about an awesome event held the second Friday of every month at Lake Concord Park over in Casselberry. They have live music performers. I call it jazz in the park, but for instance, this past Friday, it was a young country singer that kind of blended some old rock, some new stuff, some of her own. She was absolutely amazing. Couldn't believe she was 17. She definitely needs to reach out to American Idol, or they need to reach out to her. Anyways, the food trucks there are always fun. They have different selections. You are more than welcome to bring your own coolers, your drinks, your own food. There are a lot of people that set up in their friend group, family group circles. They set up tables. They do have wine. They'll have other drinks for the kids. But again, you can bring your own coolers. Feel free to bring your own food as well, not knowing exactly what the food trucks might be that night. For the kids, they have a splash pad. I know it's hot right now, so having that is awesome. And as an adult, getting to walk past it and getting splashed isn't too bad either. The playground there is pretty cool too. We've been going for years since our kids were in elementary school, and it's kind of cool to keep going there, knowing that they had so many memories made. So if you're looking for something to do once a month that's outside, that's family friendly, or that you can just get together and hang out and chat with your friends to catch up over the week, head over to Lake Concord Park the second Friday of every month. See you there.